DIY face masks for glowing skin, easy and effective recipes. Hey everyone! I'm super excited to share some amazing DIY face mask recipes that you can make right at home using simple, natural ingredients. These masks are perfect for achieving glowing, healthy skin without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Why choose DIY face masks? Well, they're fun to make, customizable to your skin type, and free from harsh chemicals. Plus, you probably have most of the ingredients in your kitchen already. So, let's dive into our first recipe. Hydrating Avocado Mask. Our first mask is a hydrating avocado mask, perfect for dry skin. For this, you'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Start by cutting the avocado in half and scooping it into a bowl. Then, add the honey and olive oil. Mash everything together until you have a smooth paste. Once that's done, apply it to your clean face and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This mask will deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. Brightening Yogurt and Honey Mask. Next up is a brightening yogurt and honey mask. This one is fantastic for adding radiance to your skin. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix the yogurt and honey in a bowl and then add a few drops of lemon juice. Lemon is great for brightening, but be careful if you have sensitive skin. Apply it to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. You'll be left with a beautiful glow. Exfoliating Oatmeal Mask. Our last recipe is an exfoliating oatmeal mask, perfect for gently removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. You'll need 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of water or milk. Combine oatmeal and honey in a bowl, then add the water or milk until you get a paste-like consistency. Apply this mask in circular motions for gentle exfoliation. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will feel super soft and smooth. Tips and precautions. Before you go, here are a few tips. Always do a patch test before applying new ingredients to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. And remember to adjust the recipes according to your skin type. If you have oily skin, for example, you might skip the olive oil in there. That's it for today's DIY face masks. I hope you try these recipes and enjoy the benefits of natural skincare. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. Comment below with your favorite face mask or any other DIY ideas you'd like me to try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.